Hello dear friend, this last year, for obvious reasons, has gotten a lot more people working from home. And that means that there are more people than ever before having to treat their laptop as a home office workstation. Those who weren't used to working at a screen all day may have found themselves feeling increasingly uncomfortable if their setup wasn't ideal. There's a pretty simple solution to that, though. Laptop stands can be height adjustable or simply positioned as they are, but all of them are designed to provide you with a more comfortable desktop experience while using a laptop. With college and the resumption of business as usual on the horizon, we felt like it was the right time to provide you with a guide to the best laptop stands of 2022. Whether you're enrolling at an online college or simply looking for a more ergonomic office setup, there's bound to be something here for you. Starting at number 1. Ergotron WorkFit-T Standing Desk Converter. If you're in search of a monitor stand that will help you make the most of your space, the Ergotron is one of your best possibilities. That's because while this monitor stand may be big, it also really milks that real estate. The desktop surface is large enough to hold 2 monitors comfortably, but it can just as easily hold your laptop or critical accessories. The desktop also offers a sloped edge that gives you better access to a keyboard tray below. If the scale of this is a bit larger than some of the other monitor stand models on our list, that's because it's designed as a sitting and standing desk. That also explains why the price tag is so high. This probably isn't the monitor stand you want if you're just temporarily working from home, but it's a godsend if you're confident you want a standing desk. Available in black or white. Backed by a 5-year warranty. Adjustable for sitting and standing. Fully adjustable keyboard and mouse shelf. Number 2. Vivo Single Laptop Notebook Desk Mount Stand. The design of this laptop stand from Vivo might not be all that pretty, but it's guaranteed to be secure. The base is a pull that clamps to the side of your desk, and that means there's a pretty significant range of articulation here. It can rotate at 360 degrees, swivel at 180 degrees, and tilt up to 15 degrees. And the fact that this laptop stand is so detached from the surface of your desktop means that you'll have plenty of extra space to work with. The tray is flat and secure, and it holds your laptop in place with a basic raised lip. While that means it gives you a relatively modest tilt range, the ventilated surface of the plate will keep your laptop working even when you're pushing it to its limits. There are even detachable cable clips for keeping everything neatly organized. Supported by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Very easy to install. Includes a cable management system. Very wide range of articulation. Number 3. Nulaxy C3 Laptop Stand. If you're on the market for a cool-looking laptop stand and don't care about portability, you should absolutely check out the Nulaxy C3. While it does break down into 3 component parts for easier storage, it's not really designed for just popping in your laptop bag and taking it with you. But its smooth, sleek, and minimalist design will look great on just about any desk, and it can hold almost 9 pounds at a time. The aluminum finish is smooth, precise, and black, but it's about more than just looking good. The smaller surface area and construction of the aluminum alloy do a great job of dissipating heat, and it also makes use of large and sturdy rubber pads to prevent your computer from slipping, sliding, or scratching. This stand is designed to hold laptops as large as 17.3 inches, too. Can separate into 3 parts. Available in silver and gray. Durable industrial-grade design. Sturdy from pads to frame. Number 4. Roost Adjustable and Portable Laptop Stand. The Roost laptop stand is one of the most serious models on the market, and while you may pay a premium for the privilege, you can count on it to serve you for your laptop's entire lifespan. The Roost laptop stand is large enough to hold practically any computer you can imagine, and it's completely height adjustable to suit a variety of situations. With a range of 6 to 12 inches, anyone can find an appropriate height that meets their eye level. It's incredibly secure, too. Its appearance may be a little unorthodox, but it's a sturdy piece of equipment with rubber insets built to keep your laptop tightly in place. And despite the heavy-duty build quality, it's also very compact and fully collapsible, so it's tailored to suit the needs of everything from business travel to company presentations. Sturdy enough to hold the largest MacBook Pro. Supports a wide range of both height and angles. Ergonomic design suitable for any situation. Quality manufacturing based out of the USA. Number 5. HUANUO Adjustable Laptop Stand. If you're looking to work from home but your laptop has a tendency to overheat, you may need more than just your run-of-the-mill ventilation. The WANNAWA puts in the work with a nicely ventilated top shelf, but it also includes fans to keep things cool when your device runs a little hotter. We don't love that this stand is mostly constructed from plastic, but we'd say it's absolved thanks to the expansive angle coverage it allows for. The plastic also helps this stand in another regard, versatility. It can travel with you just about anywhere, and you can even set it up in bed with you thanks to the portable but stable legs. It's not as flimsy as it might look either, with 6 auto-locking joints to prevent any mishaps before they occur. 2 powerful CPU fans built in. See great from any angle. Smartly designed stability system. Portable and easy to carry.